Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use green screen on Capcut. First, open Capcut app and create a new project. Now from this media option, import the green screen video and the main video. Then drag the main footage and then import the green screen video as a layer. And then select the green screen video and from the right side click on cutout. And here you can see the chroma key. Click on it. From this drop down, select color picker and pick the green color from the green screen video. We can see our green screen have successfully added into our video. Now adjust the main video size to the size of green screen. And here we can see the preview of our video. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.